giant squishy thumbtack, a teeny burger on a pen, a huge eraser, and a pencil with a carousel? Find out how to make weird anti-stress school supplies in our new video. Jessica is fed up with her neighbor's tricks. She sets up a border and divides the desk into 2 states. Now Stevie will have to knock before entering Jessica's state. He asks her to give his eraser back. Jessica reluctantly returns it, but the eraser grows a lot while crossing the border. Mix clear silicone and cornstarch. Knead the mass and add orange coloring to it. Put it on 1/2 of a rectangular container. Compact it. Add blue coloring to the other half of the mass and press it into the other half of the container so that the masses don't touch. Cut the material when it hardens so that you get bricks with even sides, and join the bricks with silicone. Cut off the edges to make them slanted. It will look like an actual Maxi Eraser. Make a title using a stencil. This giant eraser can settle all conflicts and erase any borders. Peace reigns over Jessica and Stevie's desk again. A kindness virus attacked Stevie. Out of the blue, he gives Jessica a stress-relieving folder. Trace a flap of an envelope folder on clear plastic. Cut it out. Cut colored cardboard into little squares. Attach the plastic piece onto the flap of the folder using super glue. Leave one side open. Put in sequins, big glitter, and confetti. Glue the remaining side. Decorate the folder with a string of sequins. The folder in her hands shines and glitters. Jessica loves this gift. She wants to brag about it to Miss Smith right now. She is the best desk neighbor. Finally, Miss Smith's teaching work proved to be useful. Stevie deserves a present for what he did. Have some unusual orbit gum. Cut a white eraser of a good size into pieces to be of the same shape as chewing gum. Put the pads into an empty orbit jar. Stevie wants some gum right now. Don't do that! The gum in the jar is not for eating. It's for erasing. Miss Smith suspects some food on the desk. It's just erasers. The teacher doesn't buy it. She has to do the examination on her own. She takes a close look at the chewing gum. Huh, it's actually an eraser. How strange is that? Did her students actually become obedient? Stevie hurt himself with a thumbtack. It hurt so bad. But Jessica comes up with a way to cheer him up. Take a 12-inch wide round piece of foam rubber and cut a triangular flap in the center. Coat the piece with silver rubber paint. Apply multi-purpose glue to the flap. Separate the flap and fasten it with a binder clip. Remove it in 15 minutes. Why would you terrify the injured Stevie even more? The tiny thumbtack was enough for him. Calm down, Stevie. This thumbtack won't hurt you. It's soft and not sharp at all. We need to test it on the teacher. But Miss Smith quickly returns the attack. Stevie hurt Miss Smith's feelings, and he casually plays with flower windmills on pencils. He doesn't have even the teeniest bit of compassion in his heart. Cut a square out of colored cardboard. Draw diagonals. Mark notches with even spacing from the center on each line. Cut the cardboard following the lines up to the notches. Prick holes in corners and in the center. Bend one side of each triangle so that the hole is near the center. Pass a safety pin through the holes connecting the petals and fasten them in the center. Cut leaves out of green cardboard. Hot glue them to a pencil. Stick the pin with the flower into an eraser. Cover the end of the pin with hot glue. That won't do! He has to apologize and give Miss Smith an anti-stress flower. The teacher feels deeply hurt. At least, she always has a little de-stressor hidden. This corn holder will help her relieve stress. Cover a cylindrical glass with bubble wrap. Coat the wrap with yellow acrylic paint. Cut long leaves out of green felt. Glue them around the corn. Attach the bubble wrap inside the glass with painter's tape. Miss Smith loves corn in any shape. It doesn't matter if it's a stress reliever or an actual cob. Stevie wants to cheer the teacher up with another stress reliever. He gives her a flower. Getting back into Miss Smith's good graces is pretty difficult, but the windmill on a pencil helped a lot. I forgive you, and Miss Smith is happy with the class again. What should you do if your desk neighbor goes crazy? We should probably send Stevie to a kung fu school. Stevie turned into a ninja chef. His mission is to cook the most unusual burger. Shape light clay into a miniature burger bun. Make a hole through the center of the bottom part and press in a hollow in the top part using a straw. Paint sesame seeds with white acrylic paint. Cut a square out of yellow light clay. Make a hole in it with a straw and add a few little holes. Make it look like a slice of cheese. Shape a piece of light green clay into lettuce with a hole in the center. Make a patty the same way. Assemble the burger top on a pencil. Put on the bottom part of the bun, lettuce, cheese slice, patty, and cover it with the top part of the bun. Stevie created a masterpiece with some light energy and clay powder, a mini burger for a pen. It calms you down and helps you reach a state of zen. Jessica also wants a piece of zen. Of course! The first rule of ninjas is that everyone can assemble their own burger, but Jessica still has a lot to learn. Being a ninja chef is not a piece of cake. Olivia Cactus, a young intern, will substitute for Miss Smith today. She adores green spiky succulents and disobedient students. Jessica wants to show their workplace neat and tidy, so she asks Stevie to tidy up on his half of the desk and gives him a new holder for his school supplies. Draw a circle of a 2-inch diameter. Without adjusting the compass, make notches around the circle. Connect 4 neighbor dots, one after another. Join the 5th corner behind the border of the circle. Cut out a 5-cornered diamond shape. Attach the template to a sheet of extruded polystyrene foam. Mark rectangles that are 2 and 4 inches wide and 6 inches high on another piece of foam. Cut out the details. Use safety pins to fasten the sides to the diamond. Cover the joining with painter's tape. Cut off the excess tape. Add water to 15 tablespoons of dry cement. Mix it to get a thick, creamy consistency. Pour the cement mix into the mold. Put a plastic cup with stones inside and a glue stick. Let it harden for 1 day. Remove the pins, the tape, and the polystyrene foam sides. Take out the cup and the glue stick. Coat the holder with white acrylic spray paint. Apply acrylic paint onto a plastic cap and make colorful imprints on the holder. Stevie organizes his desk. For once, all of his pens are in perfect order. The holder turned out to be very handy. Olivia Cactus likes this organization of school supplies, but the holder is missing one natural element. For example, a cute squishy cactus. Cut a cactus out of memory foam and a flower. Coat the cactus with green rubber paint and the flower with red. Sew the cactus with yellow thread. Hot glue the flower. Attach toy eyes. Add spikes with white paint. Olivia's task is to spread love for cactuses all over the world. It worked! Stevie is already in love with Olivia. She's as cute as this little squishy cactus. Stevie wants to make a gift for Olivia Cactus. He has a brilliant idea. Cut a cork of a decorative bottle to be of the same level as the neck. Trace the shape of the neck on an eraser and cut it out. Smooth out the sides of the eraser using sandpaper. Put glitter and caviar beads into the bottle. Pour in some glycerin to fill half the bottle and fill the rest with water. Attach the cork with epoxy glue and glue the eraser on top. Decorate the neck with glittering tape. Here it is, the glittering dream eraser. Stevie poured some unicorn tears and starshine inside, and he gives this eraser to Olivia. Disobedient Stevie changed a lot. This is what love for cactuses does to people. Stevie wants to brag. He has a pencil that erases itself. Cut a pencil-shaped eraser in half. Cut out a groove for lead. Put an actual lead into one half. Fasten it with super glue and attach the other half of the pencil. A pencil eraser is so yesterday. And Jessica has a carousel pencil. Decorate a big pencil with glittering tape. Tie a silver thread to a plain-shaped paper clip. Hot glue the other end of the thread to the top of the pencil. Attach 4 paper clips this way. Decorate the top of the pencil with a big emoji-shaped eraser. Make a note with the pencil and fasten it to the paper clip and let it ride. But Stevie's pencil is more useful. It can erase all notes. So what? Jessica's pencil can erase notes too. And all the papers on the table can ride on a carousel. Jessica's pencil wins this pencil battle. And Stevie's pencil can have a lead vacation. Did you like our anti-stress school supplies? Then write in the comments which unusual school supplies you would take to school. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell so that you don't miss new school stress relievers on Troom Troom.